Hey guys, I'll be coming to you with 4 different DIYs today. I lost some footage, so I can't show you the pumpkins with this setup here, or my candles, or my candlestick, because I lost that footage. So what I'm going to do is just tell you about it. So with these leaves here, I was going to trash them because I figured they were just junk, didn't need them anymore. But I'm going to turn these leaves from junk to treasure. So I will be painting some of them metallic gold and some of them like a rust color. Now I have more than these, but got those outside, but I just want to show you these here. And these will be used for my floral arrangement. Got something in gold and like a bronze that I'm trying to arrange, and I figure, hey, these little leftover leaves will be perfect for what I need to do with them. And with my pumpkins, I will be showing you how I took the Dollar Tree orange pumpkin and transformed that into treasure as well. And also I purchased 2 of the candle jars from the Dollar Tree. We'll be transforming those as well, spray painting those like a metallic gold. And also my last DIY will be a candle pillar holder, where it was just being junk, and I decided I just turned that from junk to treasure as well. So if you guys want to see how I did it, just stick around. And once again, I'm sorry I couldn't show you the pumpkin before, just a picture of it, but I do have a picture of it before I painted it, but it's like on another footage. So I will meet you outside, and I'm going to start spray painting these. And okay, here we go. Just gonna give it a few coats. You flip it over, and I'm just going to keep my hand moving so I can get an even spray here. And I'm going to go ahead and finish spraying this. It's kind of hard to do it holding it with one hand, because I do need both of my hands to keep turning this. Okay, and I'll be back. And I will be back to show you the finished results. Okay, I am going to spray paint these green leaves a gold, because I do not have any more use for the green right now. I don't feel like going to the store, so I'm just going to give them a few coats of paint. And this should match my fall colors. I'm just going to turn them over and spray them on the front side. I'm going to go ahead on and do the rest of them off camera, and then I come back and show you what they look like. guys, this is the little pumpkin that I got from the Dollar Tree. And hey, I'm just gonna do a little DIY on it. Give it a coat of Tua's gold metallic spray paint. And this is what I'm using here. Got this from Walmart. So let's try doing this. Just giving it 2 coats of paint. And this is, like I say, a little Dollar Tree pumpkin. But I just want to go ahead on and see what can I do with this baby here. Guys, this is the second pumpkin that I got from Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to do it the same way I did the first one. Give it several coats of paint. Okay, before the pumpkin dries, I'm just going to take some of this glitter I got from Walmart. And I'm just going to sprinkle some on the pumpkin. And then I go back and I put some Mod Podge on it. And add some more glitter to it. So this is what we got so far. This is what it's looking like. So I will be back and show you how I finish this off. Okay, I only needed a little bit of Mod Podge. And so what I'm going to do, instead of me just pouring some off in a little container, I'm just going to put a little bit around here. Oh, well that was a little bit. And so now I'm just going to take my brush and just go around the stem area, the base of the stem. And I'm just going to dab my Mod Podge. And it don't have to be even or perfect, because the glitter is not going to be perfect once I put the glitter on here. Okay, so let's go and okay, so now I'm coming in with my glitter. It's not the fine glitter, it's the coarse glitter. And I'm just gonna dab that like that. Okay, and I'm going to let that dry. Okay. Okay guys, I'm giving my glitter the finer, well, I'm basically putting Mod Podge on the glitter to seal that in. And I'll come back and give you guys the final look. So I'm just gonna do the other one off camera, so I won't take up so much of your time. I would do the other one off camera, and I'll come back and show you the final look. I am getting ready to do another DIY, and I'm going to do it in like a gold, a metallic gold. That's Rust-Oleum from Walmart. And before I do that, I'm going to clean this with some alcohol. Okay, so I'm taking the wrapper off of it. Okay guys, so I went on and cleaned my candles with some 91% rubbing alcohol, and I got the glue off of it. And now these candles, they came from the Dollar Tree, and this is the brand Guardian Angel, and I purchased 2 of these. Now I'm going to be using some Rust-Oleum metallic paint, and I'm going to take these outside and I'm going to give them a few layers of paint. Okay guys, I forgot to tell you that I'm just going to stuff some tissue down inside of the candle, and this is just to keep spray paint from getting on the wax. Okay guys, so I made it outside, and I'm just going to give this a few shades, well, 2 or 3 layers of paint. Okay. And I'm going to go ahead and spray the rim of this. I got the tissue in there, so if any gets on the wax, it should be a very small amount. Okay, so we are going to let this here dry, and I come back and give it another coat. Okay, here's another piece that I will be spray painting, and this is a candle. It holds a pillow, and this is the paint that I'm using. All right, so let's get started on this, and I'm just going to brush it a little back and forth. Want to keep my hands moving because I want to give it an even spray. Quick spray will give it that even look, even tone. And I'm just going to let this dry for about 10 or 15 minutes. It's quick drying paint, so 10 or 15 minutes should be enough. Okay, and I come back and give it the second coat. And here's the finished results of the pumpkin and the candle jars that I got from the Dollar Tree. And there's no paint on my wax. And I think they turned out pretty nice. Okay, as you can see, I'm finished painting. I spray painted 3 of the rust, and I got 2 shades of this metallic gold because I ran out of the Rust-Oleum and I had to use another brand, and they are slightly different. Okay, so here we are. And here's the vase that I got from Burlington. I'm going to be using this vase. It's a beautiful vase. Has the little gold and rust and little silver sparkles in it. And it's a BB. And I will be using this for my floral arrangement. And I got some styrofoam, and this is just leftover. You can't see this, so it's going to be inside of the vase. And I'm going to be using my hot glue to glue this down. Okay guys, I'm just going to be gluing some, just going to be gluing this on the styrofoam right quick, and then I'm just going to drop it inside of the vase. Okay, then I'll be doing another little scrap piece and sticking that down like so inside. And just sticking this down in it as well. Okay, so we got that all glued down. And I'll be starting with the stems here. These are the one that I spray painted. I'm just going to be sticking this down in the styrofoam. Yes, no particular way, just sticking them down in there. And I used this russet just to offset this gold to give it that fall look. Okay, so I might use maybe about 6 of these. Should give me a full look. Okay, so now I'm just going to try to fluff these out. Now I'm going to go in and put some Spanish moss that I got from the Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to add some of this in here for like a filler. Go in between the leaves. And this is the finished result of my candlestick that I sprayed metallic gold. So I just want to let you guys see how it turned out, and I think it turned out pretty good. Okay, there it is. This is the finished result of this little arrangement I made here. Hey guys, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed my DIYs. Okay, I will see you the next time. I will see you in the future, and your future looks good on you. Bye-bye.